just washed the car, hosed it down with the power washer. Now if I don't use this purified water, it's going to dry with water spots all over it, and I'm not joking, they're a nightmare to get rid of. I've tried everything. In the summer, if you're not quick enough, you can't get it dry, and you've got them. And then I find this spotless water, which is highly purified water that you can buy. You can look it up on the internet. It's called Spotless Water. It's from the Spotless Water Company. It's about 7p a litre. You use virtually nothing. This is a 10-litre garden hose sprayer. You do the car probably 3 or 4 times with this, and that's doing it liberally, and this is a medium-sized car. Anyway, here we go. This is just how easy it is to do. Just literally cover the whole car with a coating of this water. This will take away the dirty water, as I call it, the water with the minerals in it. They sort of float away on the top. This is underneath, and really it is better if you use a drying cloth or a blower. But honestly, dries absolutely spotless. You'll get no water spots if you do it this way, regardless of whether you dry it with a cloth or not. I've tested it over and over. I've done it in all sorts of weathers. It works on everything. It's fantastic as well, because I used to do the household windows at the same time as doing the car, and it actually is amazing for the household windows. Then I find out window cleaners use it. It's one of the things they use it for, and then I look it up and it's good for solar panels. But basically anything shiny, anything with paint on, glass, that's outside, that you wash them with water, and it'll stop water spots. And I'm not joking, it's like £10–12 for 500ml of water spot cleaner, and an absolute pain in the neck to do. Your windows are like crystal clear when you put this on it. You put it in your washer bottle, mix it with your washer fluid, again it just cleans the glass better. Mix it with anything that you like. When you do your snow foam, you put like your 30% water or whatever, put this in with it, everything, it just helps purify everything. Keeps your gun clean as well. Your nozzles in your gun won't fur up because it's got no nasty water in it. It's really, I wouldn't say it's underrated, I'd say it's not very well known of. When it catches on, I wouldn't be surprised if everybody doesn't use it, because it's so cheap and so easy to do. I bought myself an Ego blower, the most powerful of them all, about 500 quid. I don't even use it no more, it's such a shame. And I use that to blow the water off because I couldn't dry it off fast enough. With me struggling, I'm on a good day today, and on a bad day I'm pretty slow, and it takes me hours and hours to clean the car, or even half the flipping car, and I can't keep up with it. I wind up having somebody to come and give me a hand to dry it off, because it's drying all the while with water spots all over it. But this is 3/4 done now. I don't know how long this has taken. Certainly not long. The car's not very clean because it's been throwing it down with rain. I've not contact washed it. I've snow foamed it and cleaned it off with a power washer just to get the the main muck off it. It's a horrible day. I'm wet through now and I just want to be done. See the water beading on the windscreen. It's like we'll have no problem at all now with that. We're nearly done, and it's just like, wow. That's probably cost, I don't know, 15p. And it's probably the best 15p you'll ever spend when you're car detailing. So many things you can spend your money on. But water spots, that's like a nail in the coffin of a nice car wash. And the time that you spend, you're just tired out from doing the car wash, and then it's dried and you've got water spots everywhere. Absolute nightmare. So there we go, found the answer to this. Found it on a forum, and I get mine locally. It's only about 4 miles away. It's absolutely brilliant. Fill my containers up and away we go. There you go, that's the entire car done. I won't need wiping off, that'll dry now and there won't be a spot on it. Fantastic job.